Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm out here in the second mulch bed, and you wouldn't be able to tell by looking at this, but underneath all this is mulch, and it's just been getting progressively worse and worse and worse because I haven't weeded this at all. And now my wife and I are out here in the evening because it's been really brutally hot during the days, and yeah, we're out here trying to clean it all up. Got the strawberries over here that we grew from seed. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I grew all those from a store-bought fruits seeds, and they're doing quite well. I'll probably do a separate video about that later. But one of them even had a little fruit on it, but it might be lost in the weeds here right now. And then we have some borage that I got from my mother over there. And then behind that I've got some either zucchini or squash, I don't remember what it is. And then we have weeds. So now I'm gonna be weeding all that back. It's actually fairly easy going, but yeah, there's just a lot of it. So just like I've said before in my motivation video from a long time ago, when everything looks like it's all weeds, you just gotta remember that it's all pretty from up above and then get back to weeding. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, good people. I think that's where we're going to end for today. The mosquitoes are coming out in force, and for whatever reason they don't seem to have gotten the memo that we're vegan and we don't mean them any harm. So yeah, I think it's time to get going. So yep, got a decent portion done, and most of the strawberries are freed up now, and this is looking a lot better as well. But we got a lot to go all the way to get to the back, so that'll be another evening's project, maybe even two. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we'll keep planting stuff, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see what we're going to plant. Got a lot of tomatoes in the other bed. It's pretty much already full up. Got a bunch of zucchinis and squash and stuff in there as well, and I hope to get a lot more in here. I had a little pile to plant out, but we're not going to get to it tonight. Put that back in the partial shade, and that'll be for another adventure. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope everybody's good. See you in another video soon. Bye. So I was outvoted by Mrs. CO. She's like, I'm not leaving until we plant that little bunch of whatever it is. I think they're squash, but I'm not sure. So they're all planted now. Just watered them, and we're going to go water the other stuff we planted earlier today. And then we're going to call it a night here and get on home. So yeah, that's it. Hope to see you guys in another one soon.